The bugginator's around here, and I know there's a fly. There he is. He's dead now.
With Dave, I'm Dave, your host. Today I'm going to make something simple. I'm going to make some breaded chicken thighs and some french fries. But I'm going to make it with a little bit of a twist. I got the chicken thighs. I've been marinating now for about a day in that Sambal chili sauce. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to chop them up and we're going to bread them. And then we're going to do some french fries. So I hope you enjoy. You don't have to shut it off. Alright. So we have here, I got the chicken thighs in here. What we're going to do is we're going to take them out of the Sambal sauce. Oh, the smell. That chili paste is phenomenal. And it gives you just enough kick. You can really enjoy it. Anyway, got that bag out here. Like I said, what we're going to do is we're just going to cut them in chunks. So, take them, cut them like this. About like that. About 1 inch pieces. You don't want them too big. And then, once you get all that done, we're not going to bore you with that, so we're just going to take a second here and go like that. And just that quick, got all the chicken cut up here. Now I got a little trick here. I know when you're breading, your hands get all grody and cruddy and it's just a pain in the ass. Well, I got a little trick for that. We're going to take the chicken, take the knife, slide them right inside of here. Only do a little bit at a time. Slide this over like that. Put a lid on it. Do a little cha-cha-cha, 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 cha-cha-cha. All right. Pull it out, and voila, they are coated. And you didn't get anything on your hands. Got my fryer on over here. Knock off some of the excess. Remember, don't ever crowd the swimming pool. Only a couple pieces at a time. Alright. That looks pretty good. We'll get them in there cooking. In the meantime, we'll take these out. Put these over to the side. And we'll get the next batch. Man. Don't that look good?
They look yummy.
A little bit of seasoning on there. And there you have it. Tell you what, your family is going to be loving you. So, hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, share us with your friends, and leave a comment for God's sakes. Until then, God bless, be well.
See, the bugginator. The bugginator's got it all going. The bugginator kills.